Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. And this morning we're finally fixing the #1 problem that this car has. And no, it doesn't have to do with the wheel spacers, because those have been working excellent. It doesn't have to do with the chrome trim that we blacked out. That's still looking really good. Nothing wrong mechanically with the car. 1.5 is still holding up really well after almost 3,000 miles. However, the only problem is back here. Yeah, that's a problem. We're gonna fix that today. So we're back over here at Gas Watch Customs. If you watched my spacer install video, you'll recognize this place, although I don't think I ever showed the outside. But really good friends of ours, do very good. Make sure you hit them up at gaswatchcustoms.com or call their number. They can do pretty much anything you need, and they're going to be the ones putting on the exhaust for us. So we got the car up in the air, got the box open, as you can see, from Borla exhaust. We're putting quality on this. Real nice stuff. We got the Y pipe here where it goes from one pipe. So we're replacing this whole system from basically this point. So it goes one pipe all the way down, resonator right there, all the way to the Y pipe, which is what I just showed you what we're replacing. Then out to two sides. And the Borla system actually does utilize the factory outlets, because they're not true tips, as you can see right there. So it gives it a nice little sleeper look, but we're still gonna get that noise, because frankly I wasn't too big of a fan of the exhaust tips on all the other all the other exhausts. But we can always weld tips on it if we want to, but I doubt that we're really gonna do that. So this is already cold, which is nice. And some pretty quality parts in here. Can't wait to get these on. Alright, so we got the exhaust all laid out from the box. Y pipe I showed you guys earlier. Here's what leads to the outlet. And then you got the middle pipes with the Borla resonator. I've never seen this before, but I guess it just helps with the sound. And one annoying thing that we did find is that you have to take off the whole under tray for the front pipe, cat, all of that. So, and it does go up into the fenders, which is kind of annoying. So just a lot of clips and screws to take out. But as you can see, got this all open. Front pipe, there's the cat, oil filter, and then whole exhaust. So get that taken out and put the new one in. Well, the new exhaust, you got the old exhaust with these ugly giant mufflers with the exhaust tips. Now they're going to be completely rounded, still out the plastic surround. But just giving you guys a little bit of context. This is supposed to be flipped, but flange is there, mufflers, got Borla logo right there, and then this weird like crinkle pipe that leads into the Y pipe, and then to the outlets, which are over there. So looks like we're gonna get a lot more flow. These, especially towards this Y pipe, look a little bit more ovaled out. So definitely should get better flow and a lot better sound. And just like that, whole new exhaust is on, and it's looking really good. We still need to wipe it down a little bit, but there's the tips, and out the back actually they don't look too bad. Obviously they're still fake, like they're not real tips. It looks a lot better than that curved stocky tip. Alright, we got the exhaust on, got the car down, see how it sounds. sounds good. Don't worry, motor's still warm. Ooh, that sounds good. Now, one thing we need to do is intake. And I don't know when exactly we'll do that, but at some point. Man, it sounds good. Alright, back in the Civic. Just drove that 350Z over there. I think that changed these for me for the better. But anyways. Back to a good old 4-banger. That one thing I didn't expect with this exhaust is the little burbles when you let off. It's not too much, but it's just enough. Oh, that's fun. Alright, well, that's gonna about do it for today's video. Super happy with the exhaust and how it turned out. And it's just waking this thing up that much more. Now, Borla does advertise on their site that it is drone free, and it doesn't have very much drone, but you can still hear it a little bit, but it's not too much to where, you know, it's just ringing your ears all the time. Kind of like something else that I know. The Scion is just fully straight piped. I mean, to be honest, we don't really care about that. That's just like a fun car, but this thing sounds really good. Burbles, love, nice surprise, and yeah. So, intake coming, I don't really know when. Just for now, we're gonna, you know, leave this thing how it is. Maybe try to upgrade the camera that I'm recording on, because this little Sony ZV-1 does okay, but might need it to do a little, or might need a little bit more. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Ciao.